Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to add music to Instagram Notes. Instagram has a new feature right here where you can actually add a 30-second music to your Instagram Notes. Now to find your Instagram Notes, go to the messenger icon at the top right corner of your screen, and then right there you will find your note. As you can see here, below the search bar, you will find your note. When you tap this one, you will find again the music logo or music icon where you can add a music. But unfortunately, it is not available yet on our country. But if you can try your phone, you can see this logo right here. Then if you tap this music logo right here, you can find any music that you want to add to your Instagram notes. So if you add the music on your Instagram notes, it will look like this on your screen right now, and it will show up on your followers. So that's it. If you find this helpful, please don't forget to like to this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on our next video.